Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum all class. The last topic of this unit is reproduction. Students, it is a process of producing new organisms by themselves. So, first question, what is reproduction or define reproduction? Reproduction is the process by which living things produce new living organisms just like themselves. Students, if reproduction is not happen in this world, the earth would be survive. So it is very important for the survival of earth. In animals, males and females are required for the reproduction because males produce sperm and females produce eggs. So the male fertilizes an egg produced by a female. This is called a fertilization, means to bring life to something. Question number 2. What is meant by the fertilization? Answer is fertilize means to bring life to something. Students, here are two types of fertilization. First, external fertilization. Second, internal fertilization. Students, in some animals, female lay egg outside the body and the male then fertilize it. Same like that. The egg then hatches and the baby animal is ready to the world. For example, frog and fishes are examples of this external fertilization in which eggs are laid by the female outside the body. Internal fertilization. Other type of fertilization is called internal fertilization, in which egg is fertilized inside the female's body. The baby animal comes out the female when it is ready to enter the world. This fertilization is happen in mammals. Another type of fertilization that is not a sexual but asexual reproduction. This type of fertilization is happen in sea anemone, and these animals produced by divided themselves into many more cells. This is known as the asexual reproduction. Students, on page number 21, this is a life cycle of a frog. First, the female lays egg in the water, and second step is the formation of tadpole. The egg hatches into tadpole. This is the structure of tadpole. Students, third step is the in this stage tadpole grows leg, first at the back and second at the front. This tadpole has a longer body and a tail and distinct more head. Okay, the third step is froglet. In this stage, the froglet breathes with the lungs but having some short tail. But at fifth stage, it is the adult stage. The adult frog breathes with the lung and has no tail, so it is a adult frog. Students, the last point is metamorphosis, in which a frog changes its appearance. You can see that a frog changes its appearance and body structure during the different developmental or stages of their life cycle. Here you can see that first eggs, then tadpole, froglet, tadpole, froglet, adult frog. So a frog changes its whole appearance during the life cycle, beginning from the egg and ending on a adult frog. This is known as metamorphosis. And some test or self questions. Means learning is fun questions on page number 21, and the answers are.
Dear students, page number 21, learning is fun. Question answers. First question, name the three essential things needed to survive: water, energy and oxygen. Question number 2, can animals survive longer without food and water? No, animals cannot survive longer without food and water. Third question, where does all energy comes from? All energy comes from the sunlight. Students, fourth question is arrange these parts of chain in correct order. So first is producer, second primary consumer, third secondary consumer, and fourth tertiary consumer. Fifth question, why is animal reproduction is important? Animal reproduction is important for the survival of earth and new species. Sixth question, what are the two ways of reproduction in animals? First, sexual reproduction. Second, asexual reproduction. Seventh question, what is meant by metamorphosis? Answer, changes in appearance and body structure of an animal during the development is called metamorphosis. Thank you.